Hello friends, welcome to freeproject.com, and this is my new project, election management system, and I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL, and currently I am using the PHP 7 latest version to run this project, and this project is running on the Apache 2 server. So you can easily configure this project on your WAMP server, on your JAMP server, or if you had different operating system such as Linux, then you can easily run it on Linux as well as Mac and as well as Windows. For designing part, I have used the Bootstrap theme for creating the designing of the page, the creating the layout of the page. Then you can see this is the Bootstrap theme, and this is totally responsive theme, so it will work fine with mobile also. Means the layout will be changed according to the mobile. Okay, so you can let's start with the functionality. So this is the home page of the project. You can see that I have added the slider, so you can change the image according to your need to replace that image into the server. Okay, you can see there is also the switches for switching the sliders. Okay, and this is the about some sections, and this is the block for define that what the project is. After that, it's the about us page, about project page, and then notifications. So notifications are those contents which has been posted by the admin. So in this project there are three types of user. The first is a normal user, means the citizen. The second is the candidate, sorry, the second is the community member is an admin member which have some restrictions to access the system, and the third and super admin is the admin, that is the election admin. So this is the role based system, and I this the above this menu will be changed according to the login. So once you log in with the admin, then the above menu will be changed. If you log in as a community member, then also the functionality of the project will be changed, and that user will only be able to perform those functionalities for which he has the permission. So let's start with the functionality again. So this is the about us page, this is the notifications. So what the admin posted, the notification from the admin, it will be stored here. And after that, admin login, this is the admin login, and the citizen login, and after that the contact us page. So you can see this is the good contact us page with the Google Map. You can see that Google Map is working fine here. After that, let's start with the admin functionality. So I am logging with as a super admin, means election admin. So okay, just sign in. Okay, so you can see there is an administration menu here, and here's a manage citizen. So manage citizen means you will be the admin will be able to manage the citizens. uh, So you can see this is the citizen report, means admin will be able to see the citizen report, and he will be able to edit the report of the citizen and update it. So this is the citizen report. Also he will be able to delete the citizen from the system. So once he deleted the image, and the content of that citizen will be deleted permanently from the database. So manage parties, so there are a lot of parties. So you can see that admin will be able to add the parties, the Aam Aadmi parties, Bharatiya Janata, and so on. So admin will be able to add any number of party from here. So for adding the party, he will click on the add party, and after filling the form, he will be able to submit the form, and that party will be added to the database. He will be able to also edit the party details and submit it. So you can see that he will be able to edit the party details as well. So he will be able to delete the party. So once he deleted, that party will be deleted from database permanently. The next one is the manage candidates. The candidates are those members, those users who for whom the citizen will do the vote. Okay, so these are the, so each candidate will associate with the party, so you can see that this is a candidate and this is a party name, so this candidate is associated with the up party and so on. So admin will be able to edit and delete the candidate from here. You can see that once he click on the edit, then he will be able to modify the details here also. Next one is a manage notification. So admin will be able to add the notifications. So currently there are two notifications. If you want to new notification, then he will be able to add that also. And that notification will be displayed on the front end page. Means here you can see that that notification is displaying here. So next one is the manage votes. Manage votes means how after the election that how many votes has been gained by that candidate. So all of the candidates are here, and you can see how many votes are there for the candidate. So if any candidate had zero vote, then zero vote will be there, and if any candidates had the XYZ votes, then it will be there. So these votes are sorted by their numbers. After that, manage community member. So admin will be able to manage their community members here. Means he will be able to add more as community admins here, and also the election admin. So admin will be able to add more election admin from here also. So there is add election admin, and you can see that there is the two options that what type of role you want to give that user. And then after that, the my account section is here, and then the change password, and then the logout functionality. After logging out the system, all the session will be destroyed from the system, and that admin will not be access the internal part of the page, and that menu will be changed also. So not next, I am logging with the committee and test committee member, and I think there is some issue. Let me check in the database that what's the database. Uh, so election admin users. So so the username is committee and password is test. Okay, so this is the committee member, and you can see that committee member has rights to add the citizen. He will be able to add the citizen. He will be able to add the candidate, and after that, he will be able to manage citizens. Means he will not be the committee member will not be able to edit and delete the citizen and the candidates members. He will only be able to add those candidate and the citizen. This is the role of the committee member. The committee member will not be able to delete or edit any of the candidate and the citizens. Okay, so this is the my account section of the committee member, and then the change password and the logout functionality. So this is the second user of my system, the election management system. The third one is the citizen. So for citizen, if any citizen has uh, if any citizen has registered newly, then for that uh, he will be able to set their username and password. He will be able to set their user and password on clicking on the on this link. So after, for setting the user and password, he will enter their Aadhaar number, contact number, and the date of birth. After that, he will be able to set their username and the password. So let's start with this. So this is my Aadhaar number, and after that, contact number is, and the date of is, suppose this, check details. Oh, invalid details, try again. So for that, you will have, if you will have the uh, valid details, then you can set these details from this screen. Okay, so you have entered a wrong detail, that's why you will not be able to set your username and password. So again, I am trying it, and my contact number this, and 2015, suppose December 25th, and check details. So again, it's showing that invalid. Let me check into the database. It's a 26th of December. So again, this one, and the is 26th of December. December 26th of December. This is okay. Now my details are okay. So now the citizen will be able to set their username and passwords. So it's saying, "Hello, Amit Kumar. Set your username and password." So I'm setting it, Amit, and the password is test. So there is a option for displaying the password. This is a so I have not added the confirm password because you are able to see the password. Okay, so this is the change password here and check detail and submit it. So your credential has been set successfully. Login with to your account. So this is saying that your credential has been set successfully. Now I will be able to log into the system with that credential. So what the credential I have given is that Amit and password is test, then sign in. Okay, you can see that I am able to log in. And for citizen there is some set of menus is there, menu options is there. First one is a vote, my account, and change password. When he clicks on the vote, he will be able to see all of the candidate which is available in the system, and he will be able to vote for any of the candidate. But the citizen will only be able to vote any of the candidate only once. Okay, suppose if I vote for this guy. Okay, so once I click on the candidate, vote to candidate, then this page will be refreshed, and after that, that button has been gone. Now you will not be able to vote again. So if you log out from the system and again you log into the system, suppose Amit and test, then sorry, and so once I click on the vote, then the system is saying you have already voted. You will not be able to vote again for any of the candidate. So once he clicks on the vote, then that vote will be saved into the database and admin will be able to see the result. So let's log in with the admin and see that result, that how many votes is for this candidate. So let's log out and log in with the admin and password is test. So votes, manage votes. So you can see that there is one vote for this candidate. Okay, so for this is the whole system. So there are three level of users. Uh, there are three levels of user: the committee member, super admin, and the citizen. So all have their own permission and set of restrictions. So admin, so the functionality for admin will not be accessed by the citizen, right? So this is the restriction level which I have already implemented in the system. So this is my full project, and if you have any issue regarding this project, then you can post it into the comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the quality video tutorial video updates on your email and good projects functionalities. Thank you very much.